Concrete. It's hard, heavy, and you can mold it into any shape. Here, in the Concrete Canoe Club, City College students use the concrete to build a canoe for their annual competition.
The canoe was made 3 hours faster than last year, and it is not as slick as it was in the past.
Besides construction and design of the canoe, 50% of the competition is about paddling. A select group of students get together on scheduled weekends at Tobago Canoe Club in Canarsie, Brooklyn. Together they team up with Coach Dan and his staff to train for regionals. At Tobago, the paddlers train and learn the skills they need to compete at regionals. This includes communication and teamwork.
Just right. Just right. Right. Stop. Right.
The City College team trained to put the canoe in the water and compete against other colleges.
This is hard work, and it takes a lot of time and dedication. And what people don't realize is that we put our sweat, blood, and tears into this canoe, and this is our baby, and we really, really care about it a lot.
The competition is on May 6th at Cooks Pond, New Jersey. The canoe went in the water for the very first time. Now, time for the float test. The test was a success. Time for the competition. Paddles up, and they're off. With all the excitement, NYU took the win. But City College Canoe Club still feel victorious and are looking forward for next year's competition. This is CCNY News. I'm Henry Guaman. Thank you.